This is where the train starts. The train starts here from Flushing going to Manhattan. One of my favorite places to go is Flushing. Here also you can see a lot of people. It's crowded with people. We're going to the next level of the subway. This is where the place where people swipe to enter or to go outside. This is the entrance of the subway where you are going to swipe. I am going out of the subway. This is Flushing. There are also a lot of buses when you go out of the subway. So it's either you can take the bus or you can take the train and commuting. But I always like to commute with the train. Can you see how crowded it is? People from anywhere. Most of the people here are Asian. Buses and trains are used to commute from Flushing to different area here in Queens. And the train is from Flushing to Manhattan. There are also a lot of stores here. And malls and food. We can cross the street when you can see the white thing there, the person, the sign person with the white The street here is Main Street and Roosevelt Avenue. See, there is also Macy here. Macy. Look. Yeah, a lot of buses going to different places and Queens. Macy.